Hey y'all, welcome back to Put On. How's the foodie fam out there doing today? Shoshana taking over. Boom. Hey y'all. You know any day. Oh wait, any day. Ooh, you know what I say? Any day above and the other. It's a blessed day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my mama channel. If you're not doing it, what is you doing? It's my birthday.
Happy. Yeah. Hey, foodie fam. Yeah, I'm in the background. I got a headache today. Bad headache, y'all.
Go ahead and sing my song.
It's her birthday today, y'all. Wish my baby happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sashi. Happy birthday to you.
I'm not telling y'all how old I am. Just know it's my Jordan year. Okay. So, we got a Whopper. We got some fries. We got some cookies. And we got a Coca-Cola. I'm hungry. I just got off work. Let's get it. Period.
You going to put butter sauce on it?
My butter sauce.
Why you putting butter sauce? You need to move the bag. Take it out the bag.
I'll tell you what's the how to eat it.
But we not seeing the burger, we seeing the bag.
Where the bag at?
Can you wipe your mouth? Really?
I told my mama, you really want me to do this now? Because I'm a savage eater, okay? I don't play.
You can wipe your face.
Sorry, y'all. Let me keep it in the spirit so people don't. Oh, excuse me. I'm so used to covering up my burps.
Oh no, child. Let them rain over here.
Y'all know when it's wet. Fire.
What's wet?
Like when the sound get wet, when you get to all like the comments. Hey, look. Y'all know they be acting stingy with like the mayo and stuff. Then they want to charge you extra for extra mayo that they should have been putting on there already.
They charging for extra mayo now? For real? When did that start happening? Oh wow. I didn't even know
What
that.
she mean?
Because a Whopper, I love extra mayonnaise on my Whopper. Like, make it.
Right? That's why I say I like it when it's wet.
Yeah.
When it's oozing on the side, baby.
Not that much.
Oh, give me that much. Comment down below if you like your sandwich wet. I like it wet. You know, we're gonna talk some loving into these fries.
I'm fried whatever.
This ketchup ruined my clothes, y'all. What in the Mama, what did you do?
I didn't do anything.
She pranking me, y'all. That's why she probably wanted me to do this. She wanted all this ketchup to fall on me.
I did not do a thing.
It's not what you do to a birthday girl.
Oh, your cousin called too. Trevor.
Yeah.
He I told him you at work.
Shout out to Trevor, I love you, cousin. Shout out to all the Foodie fam. It's all our birthday.
April babies. I got one more.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all,
Shout out to the Aries.
y'all, it's prom time and I'm swamped. Too much.
No, don't talk to them now. You had a headache, right, Foodie fam?
I don't have. I have. Your sister gave me a headache.
That excuse me, y'all. I'm sorry, but I got an OCD, and I can't go to the next food while I'm eating like the first one. Like I just can't. Like I really was trying to eat these fries. I gotta finish the burger first. You know how sometimes you talk to people, you tell them how you feel, right? And then they go and they do that exact same thing that they asked you not to do. And that's called hypocrisy.
Really?
No kidding, no shade, okay?
That shade. What you talking about? That shade. Okay.
No too much
okay.
shade.
Alright, I get off my phone.
Right. Y'all, I had to do a lot of editing, but she be cussing me out when I'm on my phone. Now you see how I feel. She acting just like me, yawning. Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh.
Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh.
It took forever, y'all, but we finally found my baby a prom dress. Like,
She going to prom May 3rd.
that child is the hardest child to shop for. Hardest. You heard?
Mm-hmm.
Is it good? Can I get a fry?
Nope.
What? It's the same. Hold up. I'm gonna do her the same way she do me.
She just can't have my cookie.
Did y'all not see what she done did? Hey, y'all.
Is this really reversed?
Y'all. Today it is.
I should have said welcome back to Eat with Shashan.
Fried toast.
Mm-hmm. Can you stay in the background? This is my eating show. This is my mukbang. She was more than welcome to be a part of the Foodie fam. But Foodie fam, she needed the burp.
I'm tired.
She tired, y'all. But I'm lit, so come on.
Y'all, did y'all hear about Wendy Williams' husband?
What do you?
He a down low ass Negro too. He had a whole boyfriend too, child. You didn't hear about it?
I'm in Amazon jail. How am I? Okay, at work, I cannot have my cellular device, so I am disconnected from the entire world until 9:30, 2:30, and 11:15. I don't know nothing.
Well, I seen it last night. I was in bed before I fell asleep.
What bad?
Girl, Wendy Williams' husband, Lord, not only did he have a side chick, he had a side too.
Like I said,
Hi.
always believe karma is a chick. And if you decide to have a profession and something where you talk about other people in their lives, Just make sure your closet is clean, bro.
Child, that's woo.
Cause that's messy.
That's past messy. Like, Lord have mercy. I'm like, what?
Oh yes, y'all, I eat everything. That sound.
The bathroom door.
Oh, that was weird.
I'm gonna take a bath.
She needs a bath, y'all.
I do.
Get that lady up. And I gotta wipe off some of this ketchup because it's disturbing. Like, what the?
Yeah,
I ain't share none of my fries. I don't like to share my fries. I'm sorry, y'all. My mama just took one.
Cookie?
I shared some cookie.
She don't even like to share them. This child loves sweets.
Yes, I do.
I was supposed to go get you some cupcakes. Girl. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. But
It's okay.
Ripping and running with your sister.
It's always Shakara and Shoshana's birthday together anyway. So, typically, we just go in the middle. But since Kara's birthday on Friday, we just do it Friday. Where the big is, where the big.
Well, it's like this weekend gonna be rough because it's a lot of things we gotta do. Yes, girl.
Excuse me.
Oh, I think you beat me. I think you had the jerker.
Jalea, how was that?
He don't like that.
That came from my chest.
Baby.
I don't think you get no louder than that.
I don't think so neither. I don't think so.
Hey y'all, Foodie Fan, what's on Netflix we can watch? Cause I'm like to the point where I just, I can't take it no more. Like,
What you can't take?
that I can't find. Cause okay, I'm not into horror. Like, bro, that new series, what, Dead Summer? I'm not watching that, bro.
Yo, I was trying to get into, let me tell you the name of that show they got on there. I think that's the dumbest. When I tell you that, I'm trying to figure out what the is going on in there. So I started watching Deuces. I'm like, fuck it, I'll just watch Deuces.
Is it a movie?
No, it's a series.
Oh.
But
It's a series with Drew Barrymore. And she literally plays like this wife and she just eats humans.
really?
Like, I just watched like the first 2 episodes, but my boyfriend just watched the entire series. He liked it. In the first episode, he was like, ooh, what's this? And I was just playing it just to play something.
Man, it's like, hold on. I'm trying to look for the name of this daggone thing, but
Ooh. They got my all-time, legit, one of my favorite movies, I Am Legend. That is like my favorite movie. I don't know why. I'm just scared to think about stuff like that. But the movie is just so nicely done. Kudos.
I want to see Queen of the Desert. I want to see how that is.
Excuse me. I'm a super girly girl. I like romances. Maybe with a little comedy, but sometimes comedy be getting a little corny and I'll just get irritated.
Where is this daggone? I can't even find the daggone thing, and I know it's in here somewhere. But when I tell you, I tried to watch a few episodes, and it's like...
Ma, why you just didn't go to your recently watched? It's like the second row.
Honestly, that's what I'm looking for, and I don't even see it on there. Don't ask me how I don't see it.
It's okay. Just give it up. Throw in the towel, y'all.
I swear.
Here. Y'all get some more cookie. I'm gonna eat all the food. Yeah.
You greedy like that, girl.
I am greedy. And I would tell Foodie Fam that any day. I am a force to be reckoned with. Okay.
Tell me about okra.
Yeah.
What?
Like I said, Wendy Williams, I feel bad for her. But she had it coming. I'm sorry. Period.
You think so?
Yeah. Wendy Williams just don't talk about somebody. Wendy Williams go in.
Black Summer. Black Summer.
Is it Black Summer? Let me turn around. Turn it around. Is that zombie one I was talking about?
Yup. That zombie apocalypse. I'm like, this is the dumbest.
That's what I was. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. It's what?
Black Summer.
Black Summer. I wouldn't even attempt to watch it.
Is
The Walking Dead? You will never, ever catch me.
Black Summer ain't even worth your time, Joe. It's like the dumbest thing ever.
I think I don't give Netflix enough time out of my day to watch something dumb. Like, I done skipped over so many potentially good series or potentially good movies just because I was afraid of wasting my time. Like,
on that one there, you're gonna waste your time. It's irritating and it's stupid.
Anyway, Foodie Fam, it is time to go. See you later.
Bye, y'all.